My Venstar T1800 Platinum Series thermostat just went blank on the screen. I thought they were hardwired, or is there a battery source that needs to be replaced? Dave.
You should have 24V from unit to power thermostat. Has anything happened that would have caused a short or loss of power to indoor unit?
Nothing that I'm aware of. Where would the source of the power be located? I had a 1-ton unit put in 7 months ago. Dave.
Let's start at indoor air handler. If you have a split system, look for a small 3 or 5 amp auto fuse on control board. Do you have mode on unit handy? I will tell you where to look.
No, thank you. I did have an HVAC guy out today because I had a gas leak in my closet where the new units are located. He fixed the gas leak and had both panels off.
If you lost display, TAT tells us we have lost power from the furnace. One thing I would check is to make sure the door panels are on securely and door switch is making.
The door panel to my 1-ton is not on all the way, and that's the unit that goes to that thermostat.
Is there a button that pushes in and is held in by door? If so, can you put the panel on?
That worked. Thanks for your help. Dave.
Thanks for letting me work with you. If my answer has been polite, professional, and thorough, please click one of the ratings before you go. If you still need help, let me know. Expert is not paid for assisting you until you rate answer. Feel free to follow up for 30 days at no additional cost. Bonus always appreciated if you feel justified.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.